This is the fastest, easiest and most realistic way to create torn and ripped paper edges in Adobe Illustrator. It takes literally seconds to draw ripped paper edges with Artifacts Forge's torn edge brushes. And they're super customizable too. Add drop shadows to give them greater depth. Make the torn edges thicker or thinner by adjusting the stroke weight. Swap in different torn edge styles with one click. And you can repose the torn edges with the direct selection tool, which means you don't have to get the torn edge right first time. Each brush seamlessly tiles a torn edge section along a path, which means no more distorted or overstretched edges. This is by far the quickest and easiest way to create torn paper edges in Illustrator. Follow the link and get the brushes now. And don't forget to follow our channel for more Illustrator tips and resources. Thanks for watching.